So hello everyone, myself Piravrat and welcome to our YouTube channel Helpful Techniques. So guys, in this video we'll be discussing about the Sasken off-campus drive 2023. So they are hiring for the system software engineer profile. So if we are discussing further, if you are new to our YouTube channel, then please subscribe so that you will be able to get the timely updates regarding various off-campus. And also we take mock interviews for various off-campus for various MNCs and other companies like TCS, Cognizant, Infosys, and wipro, and also we upload videos related to the SQL and data science as well. So you can subscribe to our YouTube channel and also press the bell icon so that whenever we are uploading videos, you will be able to get the notifications. And also you can join our Telegram channel to get more job updates. So now let's discuss, and before discussing further, let me show you one about this IBM off campus. So in the previous video we discussed about the IBM off campus. So they're hiring for the associate system engineer position, and it is for the freshers, as you know, and it is a entry level position. That means people having 0 to 2.5 years of experience can apply for this position. So I'll be posting this link as well in the description of this video so that you can apply for this position if you're interested. And they're hiring for the multiple job locations or the cities. You can go and apply, and because this is the job is active right now. So now let's discuss about this Sasken off campus. So if you see, the date was on 24th January 2023. That means it's a fresh job. And location is India, so it's a pan India. So based on your interest, you can join any of the available locations like Bangalore, Hyderabad, Noida, so and so. And so now let's discuss about the roles and responsibilities quickly. So basically you need to design and code and test and do the bug fixing or to develop the projects or the software. And also once the development is done, you need to support the client or your customer, right? The technical support phase will be there. So it's a complete end-to-end development process or end-to-end software life cycle you need to follow. And education qualification is engineering graduate or MCA, etc. That means any engineering background candidate can apply, like BE, btech or MCA, MSc, etc. And also any branch candidate can apply. It is not specific to any CSE or CSIT background people. Mechanical, civil, electrical, that means all the non-IT candidates can apply for this position, right, as well. And experience needed is 0 to 2 years of experience. It's a entry level position. And if you see here, who has less than 1 year of experience can apply. And generic engineer is one, or the ideal candidate is one who has less than 1 year of experience. And you should be having good idea about the various platforms like Unix, Windows, Linux, Ubuntu, etc. And the technology standard or the point of view, various integrated development tools or the IDEs like Eclipse or Visual Studio or the debugger, etc. and various programming languages like C, C++, Java, Python, C#, etc. So these are like key programming languages or the knowledge you must be having. So it is not mandatory that you should be knowing every programming languages, because it is not possible, but you must be proficient with at least 1 to 2 programming languages like Java and Python. Nowadays everyone knows at least Java or Python, so you should be having the idea about this. So if you are interested, then simply click on the apply now. And if you ask me about the year of pass out, any year of pass out candidates can apply for this position, provided you must be having 0 to 2 year of experience, and you should be ready to join immediately or with less amount of notice period time, right? Because they may not wait if your notice period is very much is very long. So you can click on the apply now. You'll be able to apply. It will take you to the career page. Here you need to upload your resume. You need to enter your email address and choose your password. Basically you are creating an account here in this career page. You need to enter your first name, last name, country and mobile number, and how did you hear about this position. You can mention YouTube, any job board, etc. Based on the available options. And also, if you see your notifications, receive new job notification whenever they are posting. So it's up to you. I would suggest you can check this out, so that like whenever they are having new openings or the new positions, you can apply for the new positions, right? And then coming to the other parts, and once it is done, like you can, just a second, you can click on the submit and apply, right? You can directly apply for the position. So coming to the hiring process or the hiring phase, so basically only the selected candidates will be getting the written test link. So in the written test there will be pseudocode kind of questions, and also aptitude and English or the reasoning questions will be there. And once you have completed with the, like if you have passed this round, then there will be a technical round followed by the HR discussion or the managerial discussion, right? So this is all about the process. So I hope it is clear to you right now. So I'll be posting these links in the description of this video, so that you can apply for this position, right? So if you have any doubt or something, you can ask me in the comment section below. I'll try to help you as soon as possible. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I will see you in the next video with some new job updates.